Good morning, students. We continue with the chapter adjectives. So last time we had done two kinds of adjectives, the adjectives of quality and adjective of quantity, quality and quantity. Today we are going to do adjective of numbers, okay, or numeral adjectives that identifies numbers, okay, that we can count. In quantity we couldn't count, but here we can count, okay. Adjective of number or numeral adjectives specify the number of person or things or in what order a person or thing stands, as the hand have 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. Okay, so here we can identify numbers. Okay, how many number of people, thing, or any other particular thing that stands or in any order. Okay, we can identify the number. Here number, adjective number means that. Okay, so adjective of number or numeral adjectives are of three kinds. First is definite number, numeral adjectives. See, there are two kinds of numbers. There are cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal contains 1 2 3 and ordinal contains first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, so definite numeral adjectives which denote an exact number, it denotes exact number. Okay, as 1 2 3 etc, these are cardinal numbers, and first, second, third etc are ordinal numbers. Okay, just remember this cardinal, ordinal. I know you have already read this in your maths, so here also once again you will understand what are cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, a cardinal denotes how many, and an ordinal denotes the order of the things in a series. See, cardinal, no, it tells you how many. Okay, 3 chocolates, 4 chocolates, 5 chocolates, and the ordinal denotes in series. Okay, things in a series. Okay, the second boy on the second bench, it's in a series. Okay, first boy, second boy, third boy, or the fifth boy has to stand up, like that. Okay, indefinite numeral adjectives which do not denote an exact number, as all. Indefinite numeral means it does not give you a proper number. Definite gives you exact number, and indefinite does not give you an exact number. Okay, all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, so they are not giving you an exact number. Okay, all means we don't know how many are there in all, what number is there in all. Okay, that will not give you an exact number. Understood? Distributive numeral adjective which refers to each one of a number, as each boy must take his turn. It refers to each one, everyone, each boy. Each boy means everyone has to come. Okay, every word of it is false. Every means whatever word that particular person is saying is a false. Okay, either pen will do. Okay, either pen or pencil, but preference is given to pen. Neither accusation is true means none of the accusation is true. Whatever the allegations or accusations have been put on, they are all false, they are not true. Okay, the same adjective may be classed as of quantity or number according to its use. It can be classed as quantity of number, or according to its use, the way you use things. Okay, here see difference are given. Quantity and number, their difference are being shown. I ate some rice. Some boys are clever. Okay, here I ate some rice. Rice also you cannot give number, proper number you cannot give. Okay, so it comes under quantity. And some boys are clever. Some means there are few boys. Some means some. It's not particular. They're not giving some numbers, but they're saying that some are. Okay, they don't have an exact number. He has lost all his wealth. Whatever wealth he has lost it. We have no number how much he had, but all is lost. All men must die. All means all the men, whoever are there. We don't have a number, but whoever is present must die. Okay, so this is the difference. See, adjective of number gives you a particular number, that these many things, or you can count them. Okay, and quantity you cannot count, but yes, you can identify that okay, these many things are coming under this particular thing. Okay, So here the next one that we are going to do is demonstrative adjective. Okay, point out the person or things meant. It particularly points out. Okay, it gives you a demonstration of particular, whatever particular person or thing is being pointed out. This boy is stronger than Harry. This boy, it is pointing out on this particular boy is stronger. Okay, that boy is industrious. Okay, means that particularly that boy. These mangoes are sour. Whatever mangoes, suppose in this there are so many mangoes, so these particular mangoes are sour. Those criminals must be punished. Those means the whoever is standing there, they must be punished. So they are pointing out this, that, those, these. Okay, these are used for particularly pointing out to something or person. Understood? Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. Okay, they are pointing out, no, so they will always answer which one. So this one. Okay, and what, which, and whose, when they are used under the nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjective. Okay, demonstrative and interrogative. Understood? Your interrogative is very simple. It always asks questions. Where you find question mark, it's an interrogative adjective. Okay, what manner of man he is, question mark. Which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? And whose books is this? So it always asks questions, what, which, and whose, when they are used. So that is, it comes under interrogative. Okay, demonstrative particularly points out something or person, and interrogative always asks you questions. Understood, everyone? So it will be noted that this and that are used for singular, this and that is for singular, those and these are for plurals. Okay, understood? This is for singular, that is for singular, these and those are used for plurals. Understood, everyone? And that it will be notified that what is used in a general sense and which is in a selective sense. What is used for what kind of a work and which is which one. Okay, which is for selecting something, which dress should I wear, so that you are asking, no, you are giving options, so you have to select. Okay, so that comes under selection. Understood? So these I hope the adjective of number and adjective of demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjectives are clear. In number, the adjective of number will always give you particular numbers. Okay, you can identify numbers, you can count them. Okay, that comes under adjective of number. And demonstrative adjective, it will always point out on something or a person, and interrogative will always ask you questions. So just go through these adjectives that we have done by far, and if you have any kind of questions you can ask. Okay, thank you.